My name is Oli. I'm a designer. Sometimes designers share good, perfect design, but in bad way. This happens because designers and developers speak different languages.
I don't like specs when they are unclear, especially ambiguous, because I believe that can hurt your team's communication, consensus, progress, and not to mention that it might end up building the wrong feature.
Unclear specs destroy productivity quickly because they stop you as a developer from making progress until your doubts are clarified.
I hate bad specs because there's a huge risk of building the wrong thing and spending the customer's money and delaying the project by a lot.
Figma is a good way to create design, to create files and prototype. And Loom is a very good helper to deliver the design to your team. I love Figma because, to me, it's quick and easy to share my design with team. Also, Figma works in browsers, so I can connect to Figma and work anywhere. To me, Figma is the easiest and the most quick way to create prototype and prepare files for the dev team. Loom is a good software for screen recording. At the same time, I can use my web camera and my voice to include some notes, some comments about prototype, about how it works, about nuances and details, which I can't explain in just file. Figma and Loom are both great tools, but my favorite way to use them is together. I like to share Figma designs and prototypes as long video walkthroughs, so nothing gets lost in communication.
I like good specs because there's a huge productivity boost from knowing the exact target you're after. The project doesn't have to keep halting for constant clarifications along the way.
As a backend engineer, I really like when specs do a pretty good job at defining what you're supposed to build and defining the interactions between what you're building and other parts of the system.
I really like when designers put every component together into the UI kit. Please do this more often.